Hello and welcome back. This is Amanda from hookemcreations, and today we are starting a whole new series for basics with knitting. I am so excited, y'all, because I first learned how to knit before I learned how to crochet, and knitting is my favorite. To start off, you're going to need some knitting needles. I am using double pointed knitting needles. These are size 7 or a 4.5 millimeter needles if you want to use the metric system, or use the US system, which is the size 7. So I'm using size 7 double pointed needles because there are 2 points on either side of the needle. You are welcome to use whatever size needle you want, and today I am using worsted weight yarn. I believe this is the Caron 1 pound yarn. This is what I have left on hand, and that's what I'm going to be using. To start off, we're going to cast on our knitting needles. So you're going to want to make a slip knot. Go back to my video. It's the same concept with crocheting as it is knitting on how to make a slip knot. And you're going to make sure you have a long tail, because this is a long tail cast on. This is the way that I was taught when I was young. Like I said, I've been knitting since I was 7 years old, and this is the way I was taught. So let's get to it. So you just made your slip knot. You're going to take your needle and put it through the hole, and you're going to go ahead and tighten it up. You should have a nice, decent sized tail. You know, and we're starting off, so we're not going to go crazy on the length. So what you're going to do is you're going to spread the 2 yarns apart like so. You're going to take your thumb and your index finger and put it in between the 2 yarns, and you're going to open up. Your 3 fingers are going to grab the 2 yarns and make a slingshot like so. Yeah, just like so. So you have your slingshot. You're going to take your needle and go under the first yarn. Then you're going to take the needle and grab the second yarn and pull it through in the middle of where your thumb is. You're going to let go of the thumb, and you're going to pull it through like that. Going to do that one more time. So once again, take your thumb and index finger, put it in the middle of the 2 yarns. Your 3 fingers are going to grab the 2 strings and make a slingshot. You're going to take your needle, go under and up, grab the other yarn around and pull through. Let go of the thumb and tighten it through. And if you still hold on to your yarn, you can take your thumb and put it back where it was, and you can make another one. Again, under, and grab the second one and pull it through. You're going to release the thumb, pull through, use your thumb to tighten it up, and you make another slingshot. And you just keep doing it over and over again until you have your number of stitches you need for your hook, for your needle. And there you go. That's how you do a long tail cast on for knitting. If you'd like to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell and get notified when the next video comes out. Until next time, happy crafting!